Hi, today I will be reviewing Beverly's descriptive essay, and off of the peer review questionnaire for question number 1, I thought the introduction was good. It reflected the title of the paper and it previewed the good and bad sides of fires. To make it better, I would probably make the thesis statement a little more explicit because I might have just missed that, but other than that, it was a good introduction. For question number 2, in the third paragraph talking about the firefighters, it was relevant, giving firsthand information, but it also seemed to stray away from the overall theme of the paper and fires being good or bad. So it was sort of irrelevant, but also relevant to the essay. And also, you seem to start many paragraphs with the same type of opening, with the same wording or structure. So I would probably just reconfigure that or come up with new ways to start each paragraph differently. For number 3, I do think it was a persuasive draft because it was a good description about what occurs during a fire and the aftermath of a fire. For number 4, in the second paragraph, you said various invasive species of plants and insects tend to invade. So instead of using the word invade in succession like that, you could have used different words such as like seize or conquer just to change it up a little bit. And also in the third paragraph, on the second page, you ended the sentence completely, but then onto the next page, on the next paragraph, you started with a lowercase letter, so that's just a grammatical error there. For number 5, my favorite aspect was going over many of the processes and events that occur during and after a fire. That was interesting to me. For number 6, something that needs attention I thought was the thesis statement, which I addressed earlier in this video. And also, most paragraphs feel like they're almost identical in their individual theme. So maybe just make less paragraphs and have one talk about just the bad, then one talk about just the good, instead of intermixing between good and bad in each paragraph. And specifically, and also just make it specifically about the good and the bad. For number 7, when talking about the controlled burns, maybe you could put a source there about that. And the part where you were talking about the nutrients from plants, you could also put that for a citation. And for number 8, other than just a few grammar and punctuation issues, I would just go look back over that just to do another revision. So that's all I have to say about the peer review. Overall, I thought it was a good essay. It was interesting. And if you look at some of these problems and fix them, I feel like you're off to a good track. So, thank you again.